Hello kids, so today we are going to learn how to make sentences out of some words. Firstly, we are going to make the sentence of the word all, A-double-L, all. Kids, just think in your mind what sentence can we make? Okay kids, so for example, we can make this sentence, Pinkerton gobbled up all of the cookies. So kids, this means that the Pinkerton, which is the name of a person, gobbled up all of the cookies means he has eaten up all the cookies. Kids, can you see this Pinkerton gobbling up all of the cookies in that cookie packet? So, this Pinkerton is gobbling all the cookies and has finished up the packet of cookies. The next word is ball. B-A-double-L, ball. So kids, think it in your mind. What sentence can we make? Okay kids, so I'm going to tell you an example of the word ball, that what sentence can we make out of it. Sherbet can balance the red ball on her nose, meaning that Sherbet is a person who can balance the red color ball on her nose. My cute little kids, can you balance a ball on your nose? So kids, can you see how this Sherbet is balancing a ball on her nose? How nicely it is balancing the ball on the nose. The next word is cake. C-A-K-E. Cake, which you cut and eat on your birthday parties. So kids, what sentence can you make out of this word? Think kids, the yummy cake which you eat on your birthday. What sentence can you make out of this word? The colorful yummy cake which has candles on it. So, we can make a sentence. I'll tell you an example of that sentence. A good cake is the yummiest part of a birthday party. Meaning that a good and the yummy cake makes your birthday party the best, and it's the best part of your birthday party. So yummy cake makes your birthday party the best. Kids, can you see this cutie having the cake? And has eaten up all the cake. And seems that it has sat on the cake. And the next word is dog. D-O-G. Bow bow dog. So kids, what sentence can you make out of this word dog? You might be seeing dog every day, either in your houses or in the streets. Think kids. Dog. Okay. So now I'm going to tell you what sentence can we make out of the word dog. Yoshi thinks it is funny to dress up her dog. So kids, it means that Yoshi is the name of a person who thinks in her mind that it is funny to dress up the dog, to put clothes on the dog. Kids, do you also think that it is funny to put clothes on your dog? Isn't it? Kids think that, is it or so? Kids, can you see this Yoshi is putting up clothes on her dog, red color hat and the red color scarf Also the red color heels. And the last word is eat. Kids, so you all need to think and write in the comment box that what sentence can be made out of the word eat. Bye bye kids, see you in the next video.